A very warm and a jolly evening to each one of you present here. We are very glad to welcome each one of you back to the Neigrihms Pre-Christmas Celebration 2022. During this past 2 years, we could not meet due to the pandemic, but we are glad that this year we can meet again and celebrate this season of hope and peace together. Well, the best Christmas is the nostalgic Christmas, isn't it? Can we hear something loud from there? Yes, students! Are you happy to celebrate this day together? Yes, that's the spirit. So, maybe not in 2020, but in typical years, the Christmas season is a time to gather, reconnect, celebrate, and relive memories from the years past. This holiday is a time to reflect on what is and what was, and that was is usually defined by nostalgia. A wistful longing to the past times, people, and good memories is a mixture of both good and bad feelings. On the note, ladies and gentlemen, once again I welcome you all to this pre-Christmas celebration 2022, and we will continue first with the caroling with the group.